To make date night special or help calm those jitters, I recommend our Simply Earth Love Essential Oil Blend. Because all you need is love. Or Love Essential Oil Blend. I'm Katie, I'm certified aromatherapist with Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to use essential oils, and today I'm going to be telling you all about our Simply Earth Love Essential Oil Blend. So I'll tell you what's in the blend, why it's in there, and uses and recipes you can do with it, and also make sure you know how to use this blend safely. So the first oil in this blend is Amyris, and Amyris has a vanilla woody aroma that creates a calming, peaceful atmosphere. Also in this blend are Bergamot and sweet orange essential oils. These are two citrus oils that can help uplift your mood. So if you are feeling stressed or trying to create a happy atmosphere, those oils are gonna help bring that to the table. Last but not least, and perhaps most importantly in this blend, Ylang-Ylang Essential Oil is in this blend. Ylang-Ylang can help ease nervous tension. In one study, it was found to help reduce heart rate, help relax your heart rate, while help stimulating your senses. So let's talk about how to use Love Essential Oil Blend. The first way to use it, super simple, is just put it in your diffuser to help create a romantic, relaxing, uplifting atmosphere that's perfect for date night. Another way you can use it is in one of our essential oil recipes that are created by aromatherapists so that you can be confident they're safe. Here are some of the recipes you can make with our Love Essential Oil Blend. Some Love Bath Melts. These recipes safely dilutes Love Essential Oil Blend. And you just pop this into your bath and it'll melt to make a nice romantic atmosphere. You can also make a love scented candle. And also these wax potpourri discs. You can use them in a wax melter or just set them on a table for some cute decor. To get these recipes, check out the links to the blog post where we'll give you all the info you need. Let's make sure you know how to use Love Essential Oil Blend safely. This blend is generally non-irritating to the skin, but you'll want to make sure to dilute it properly, and we've got a link to our dilution chart, which is super easy to follow, in the description box. This blend is safe to use around individuals aged 10 and up. You'll want to avoid using it around cats, but it is generally safe to use around dogs. Just be mindful of your pet's behavior, and whenever you're using an essential oil, be sure to leave the door open in that room so your pet can leave if the aroma disturbs them. Thanks for watching. For more great videos like this one, remember to hit subscribe. And be sure to check out that blog post where you can get even more details on this amazing blend. You're gonna love it.